First, you want to open the packet, find pages 1 through 6, look at the top right corner. These are all about the bones. You're going to put all of those pages to the side. We don't need those today. Find page 7 for the heart and page 8 for the stomach. First, you want to color in these images using the color code that they've given you. I see pinks and blues and reds for the heart, and I see light grays for the stomach and the esophagus. Just like in class, you can improvise, but if you use orange instead of light gray for the stomach, then use orange for the esophagus too. Your next step with the stomach and the heart is to write information about each of these organs. In order to write about these organs, we have to read about them first. So go to the back of your packet, past all of the numbered pages, and past the brain hemisphere hat activity to a page that says, Our Amazing Human Body, read about it. Go ahead and look through this packet and find the page titled The Heart, and find a second page titled The Stomach. We started reading some of these pages in class before break, and if you were somebody who had the heart or had the stomach as your organ, go ahead and give it a second read. You've been on break for 2 weeks, and this will be a nice refresher for you in regards to these organs. Let's start with the stomach. When I read, I like to underline parts that I find to be important. This first part says that the stomach is part of the digestive system, and we definitely want to know which systems each organ is a part of. You may choose to take notes on a separate piece of paper. So go ahead and underline or take notes, but please read through the entire page, and when you get to the bottom, go ahead and take a separate piece of paper for this next part of the activity. At the top of this piece of paper, you're going to title it The Stomach, and then you will put the title What I Know. So you are going to write 3 facts that you found on this sheet, and then below that you will write What I Want to Know. So these are things that you still want to know about the stomach, and try to find 3 or 5 things that you would still like to know about the stomach. Okay. Next, you're going to copy those 3 facts that you found about the stomach into the lined section within the stomach illustration on page 9. It should be titled Write About It. Great. You are done with the stomach, and we're going to move on to the heart. You're going to follow the same instructions. Go ahead and read through the entire page about the heart. You can underline facts, or you can write them on a separate piece of paper. Read through the whole page, and then get a separate sheet of paper and title it with The Heart, What I Know About the Heart, and What I Would Still Like to Know About the Heart. So again, we're going to write 3 facts that we found about the heart, and then 3 or 5 things that we still want to know about this organ. When you're done, go ahead and find that page 9 again, and at the bottom there's a small heart diagram, and if you can, fit as many of those notes on those lines as you can, as possible. And that's it. You are done for Monday's science work.